Welcome to Weather First. Now today the island experienced very heavy showers, especially the Colombo areas and its suburbs were inundated. The main roads were inundated due to this heavy shower conditions. Now according to the Met Department, it has issued a high risk warning mainly to parts of the eastern and some part of the northern and of course the central hills as well as in the over provinces. So due to this, the general public is requested to take precautions to minimize damages mainly in the central hills as landslides may occur due to the showery condition, and also rough seas may occur in the southeastern and the southern part of the island, and wind speeds may increase to more than 55 kilometers per hour in these areas. So that is the latest update here in the island. We hope that you stay safe and take care in these adverse weather conditions.
Heavy showers were reported from 3 p.m. in Colombo and surrounding areas. The showers lasted for about an hour, and due to this, vehicular movement along many roads, including the Horton Place access roads, Vijayarama Road, Baseline Road and the Bauda Lokomavata was hampered. The Department of Irrigation says the spill gates of 17 main reservoirs have been opened due to incessant rains. The Disaster Management Centre said 14 districts have been adversely affected due to heavy rains as of now. Many acres of paddy land alongside the Moderagang Aru Oya are currently inundated as the spill gates of the Mahavilachu Reservoir have been opened. According to our correspondent, water was being discharged at 1000 cubic feet per second this morning. The road which leads to the Somavati temple is also inundated due to the heavy rainfall experienced in the catchment areas of the Mahavali river. Spill gates of Kandalamavava in Dambulla have also been opened since last evening.